Hello there. For today's activity, we are going to take a look at how important bees are to pollination and the foods that we eat. So if you go into today's materials here, you will notice that I have linked the assignment to Google Docs, and my hope is that you are able to seamlessly submit this when you are done. This is something new this week, and I'm hopeful that it works. We will find out. Please certainly let me know if you have any issues with submitting, and you can submit to my email as well if you have problems. So launch this, and we're going to take a look at what would you eat without bees. So bees are excellent pollinators. 1 in 3 mouthfuls of food that we have are dependent upon bees. So they figure about 30% of our food supply. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but in our processed foods, that does impact us quite a bit. So today's task, you're going to take a look at the information below, and you are going to create a day of meals that you normally would eat, and how these meals may be affected if we didn't have bees and we lost them. Certain populations of native bees are in sharp decline. There's lots of information out there as to speculation as to what might be causing that, but we're not entirely sure. So we just know that we need to protect our pollinators as much as we can. So this particular document goes through and shows you visually what would happen if we had with bees and without bees. So obviously this is with, without, with, without. Okay, so and then it explains how these items are pollinated by bees, directly or indirectly. If you hamburgers and pizza are very common lunch and dinner items. So you can see here that the meals would not be quite as, especially the pizza. Oh, goodness gracious. So bees are very important. So, and it explains that here. And then, of course, dessert, what dessert would look like with and without pollinators. So your activity today, and you're welcome to research online any foods that you don't see here, and what it would look like without bees. So feel free to submit that when you are done, and I hope everything works out technology-wise today, and you have a fantastic day.